Ah, it's frozen. Fish got frozen out here.
It's the other water there.
I'm gonna see how much season these right now. Alright, well. Alright, it got frozen. Alright, boom. So I'm gonna do this right now. Alright, boom. Alright, you got the. Alright, you got that going. Alright. Just gonna add the oil to that. I'm gonna deal with the fish. We're in the elements, my beautiful people, so we gotta do our best with the fish, season the fish. So we can't season like regular, you know what I mean? So, you know, we gotta do our best. Hold on. Yo!
Pot already, you know, there, man.
Pot ready, put some oil night. And put the ginger, the pepper. And we season them as we go along, you know, because they're frozen.
Oh, you do them somewhere around there, so.
Eh?
Oh, you do them.
I'm gonna fry them first.
What, deep fry or half fry? So you know how much oil to deal with. Fry. So you know how much oil to deal with.
Alright, pour the oil. The fire is there. Alright, pour the oil. Pour more. Got a lot of fish. Now pour some more. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, nice level. Alright, boom. So we got the fry. Buju got the fried chicken going. You know what I'm saying? So we're doing this thing. So while the oil is warming up real quick, I'm gonna start dealing the fish. So we're gonna season the fish one by one and fry them, you know? So I can't season the whole fish because it's frozen right now. It's cold out here, so I can't season all the fish one time. You know what I mean? So we're gonna season as we go along. So boom, like Buju working, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm gonna start working over here. Fish frozen and frozen. You know what I mean? You know the vibes. A little black pepper. We gotta use the black pepper, you know? Black pepper is expensive in the Bronx. A little chingwan wing. Got a little chingwan wing.